Welcome everybody. It is Bobby Two Pops Breaks on Monday. It is June the 2nd. We are breaking Gold Rush Funkos. It's a 2-box break from a fresh case. We numbered up our boxes, randomed up those numbers, got 1 and 3. We did pick a name, get 2 via random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names. We alphabetized the customer list, gave them a few minutes to trade, just checking chats one last time. Not seeing anything, guys. All right. Good luck to you all, folks. Alright, we're all going to find out all at once here, guys. Bam! Whoa, going to be a Terry Bradshaw there, y'all. Not a bad hit out of the gate there for us. Going to be Mr. Terry Bradshaw. Beckett hologram on that baby. Very nice hit for us there. Well, that's D-Gen gonna nail that one. All right, guys, we got a 3 here. Alrighty, y'all. Whoa. Bam! Gonna be a Vlad Guerrero Jr., guys. Another repeat on that one, but it's only our second one there so far. Bam! Gonna be a Vlad JSA and a Vlad on that. Very nice hit for somebody. Wow, well, Mark Brown, man, another guy who's been fairly lucky in these. Wow, guys, I am so sorry to everybody else. That is going to wrap up that 2-boxer, though. Going to be a Mark Brown on that. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. 8 p.m. Central, folks. Bobby Two Pops Break. Stop on by and join us, won't you? Yeah, he was on a bad run for a while there, though, man, and some of the other stuff, so it's, you know, he's just making up a little ground, and now, Bradshaw gone. All right, thank you, D-Gen. All right, so Mark Brown is D-Gen. third Vlad? I thought that was only our second one. No, I know, dog. I'm sorry, bud. I can't seem to get you a hit there, man. All right, so let me check Facebook there. All right, so Chuck, Seacon, Hot Sauce, Mr. Nasty, and Steve. Those are the ones we're waiting on, folks. Chuck, Seacon, Mr. Nasty, and Steve, y'all. All right, any takers on any of those names, y'all? Any takers on those names before they hit the board again? All right, last call for those names. I didn't know what to expect tonight, being Monday, and then normally off on Mondays, if people were going to be around or not. All right, guys, we've got 7 spots left, folks. 7 spots left. We got 7 spots left in the Gold Rush Funkos, guys. Hopefully a few more bodies will hit the room and help us get these closed. Guess we'll try a quick filler here. We'll see if we can get that going. Alright guys, we got fulls and fillers. Thank you, BM. Yep, anything we break tonight, guys, should go out tomorrow, so. Right after I get up here, I'm going to start boxing everything, and should get your labels tonight. We got fillers and fulls, guys. We only trying to fill 6 spots left. We've only got 6 spots. Trying to close this baby for you. I haven't pulled much Bradshaw stuff lately, man. And I think that was the second one we hit out of those. But come on, folks. We got 8 spots left in the filler. We got 2 fulls. You can grab as many fulls as you want. We'll shrink the filler. Or even do away with it if you want more. But we got 6 full spots that we are trying to close, guys. All right, guys, come on. Oh, thank you. Alright guys, I'm going to pull that filler down. We don't start getting some entries there. We got 5 full spots left. Do we got any takers on our filler there, folks? Whoops, shit. Sorry, guys. Copy. Seems like we're getting any takers on our damn filler there. Come on, guys, we got 5 spots left. A lot of good names on that board, folks. Anthony, I think I canceled it. I'm sorry. Chuck, this is the second break. Do you want me to refund or Anthony, let me know if you want me to refund or if you want to take a full spot and then send 8 more or whatever. But let me know, Anthony, if you want me to refund your filler or if you want to grab a full spot and then send 8 more. All right, thank you, Chuck. Cheetah. All right, we are down to 4 spots left. Anthony, let me know, or I'm just going to refund your filler there. We've only got 4 spots left now, guys. 4 left is all we're looking for, guys. All right, we're down to 3. All right, thank you, Chuck. Yep, thank you. Alright guys, and send on over for your spots here. We're only a couple spots away from breaking. Alright, I haven't heard from Anthony, so I guess I'm gonna just refund your money, bud. And again, I just want to show Anthony, I just refunded your money for a filler. Alright, we've only got one left, guys. Jefferson. Alright, we've only got one spot left, y'all. Send on over, everybody. We only got one left. Whoop, knick-knack to Austin. Alright, we are filled, y'all. Alright, we are filled, everybody. We are filled. Alright, send on over, everybody. We are 100% filled. Alright, we got Vlad, Jordan to Vincent Bliss. No fours, guys. No threes. Alright, well, we got an 8 that time. Alrighty, guys, here we go. 1. Gates. Alright, let's see who gets the Applegate spot. Whoop. Times gonna be options. All right, we got 2, 4, 5, and 6, guys. All right, here we go. Bam, we have a 7 there, folks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 times 2 and 6. All right, guys. Second, any trades, guys? Call out your trades, folks. All right, any trades going, folks? Any trades? All right, thank you, Philly. All right, guys. Any trades at all, folks? All right, last call on trades, guys. Last call for trades. Alright guys, I am not seeing anything. Gonna do our break here.